Are Land Rover Defender wheel spacers safe?
Land Rover Defender wheel spacers
are a kind of wheel accessories which are used to create distance on the inner portion of the wheel for clearance problem. By pushing out the wheel, you can get a small amount of clearance for bigger wheels without rubbing against the fender. Having a wheel brought out ideal distance allows for mounting larger brake calipers without wheel scratching. We can see the back of these adapters have unique active cooling groove design that makes the external air flow in and takes away the internal heat, so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling. Improve the braking efficiency and reduce the risk of driving safety.
Forged Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are significantly lighter and stronger than cast ones. There are forged 6061 T6 and 7075 T6 aluminum. Both these two types of wheel spacers are of good strength, toughness, hardness, and corrosion resistance.
For more information about bonus wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.